Welcome back to Learn with PHNX, our series of educational content on crypto. We're back today with a short video on Layer 2 in crypto. We explored in our previous video the concept of nodes. If you have not watched it yet, we invite you to start with that previous video first and come back to this one after. Layer 2 solutions have grown popular in recent years as they solve a core issue of blockchains, their speed. We are now all familiar with the long delays to get a transaction validated with Bitcoin, taking close to 10 minutes to get at least one confirmation, which ensures that the transaction has been settled. Some other blockchains are much faster than others. We can mention Ethereum or Solana, for instance, yet their respective speeds remain impractical for democratization in the real world. Layer 2 solutions are trying to solve that problem and enable a faster adoption of cryptocurrencies. This is a complex issue, as scalability is usually made at the detriment of security. You may recall the concept of the trilemma from your early readings about blockchain. Coined by the founder of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, the trilemma refers to the trade-off between security, scalability, and decentralization. Enhancing one often results in the diminishing of another. So how are Layer 2 solutions bringing to the blockchain that much-needed scalability? A Layer 2 is simply a separate blockchain built on top of an existing one, referred to as Layer 1. It extends most of the features of that main blockchain to a secondary network, so that it can process most transactions on it and hence unclog the main chain without impacting security too much. We can define 4 types of Layer 2 solutions: sidechains, rollups, plasma, and channels. A sidechain literally replicates its related blockchain in a separate blockchain, working with its own nodes but adding bridges to make the link between the main blockchain and the sidechain. A key advantage of that solution is enhanced security. It does not rely on the main blockchain for that. Plasma is a rather complex solution. It relies on what we would call child chains that would work together in series as secondary chains. These child chains help their related main blockchain with verification. All of the interactions between the main chain and the child chains are handled by smart contracts called root contracts. The main difference from sidechains is that Plasma relies on the main blockchain for its security. Rollups are similar to sidechains, except they are not proper secondary chains, but rather parallel chains. They offload transactions from the main blockchain, process them, and feed blocks of transactions back into the main blockchain. You can differentiate 2 types of rollups: zero-knowledge or ZK rollups and optimistic rollups. It is very likely you have heard of the former type in recent months, as ZK blockchains have become increasingly popular. Finally, channels have a very different way of working with the main blockchains they relate to. They basically create a peer-to-peer channel between 2 parties, where an unlimited number of transactions can occur, but will only feed 2 transactions back to the main blockchain. As a result, transactions are much speedier and with reduced fees. Some of the most famous Layer 2 solutions include the following. Bitcoin Lightning Network offers a Layer 2 to the Bitcoin network, with a transaction speed in milliseconds versus close to 10 minutes on the main chain. It takes transaction bundles from the main chain, deals with them off-chain, and transfers them back into the Bitcoin blockchain. Beyond this, it also enhances the Bitcoin blockchain with the handling of smart contracts. Polygon is one of the first and most popular Layer 2 solutions for Ethereum based on a Plasma framework. Arbitrum is another Layer 2 on Ethereum, yet still relying on Layer 1 for the verification of transactions. It, however, has its own virtual machine, which boosts the scalability and transaction speed of smart contracts. For that reason, it has grown popular with DeFi users. Then, are Layer 2 solutions solving everything? Well, they are extremely effective at addressing the scalability issue, but they also come with some drawbacks. The first one relates to transparency. We mentioned that some Layer 2 solutions bring off-chain verification of transactions, hence no visibility on what's happening over there. This could be used by bad actors to manipulate data. The other key issue often encountered relates to the necessity of a fork to allow for that scalability. It is not straightforward that the actual infrastructure of the main blockchain could work with Layer 2 solutions, as all transactions must be recorded in sequential order. In conclusion, while Layer 2 solutions offer significant improvements in scalability and transaction speed, they also present challenges that need to be carefully managed. Understanding these trade-offs is essential for anyone looking to fully leverage the potential of blockchain technology. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content.